Reviewing this controller, everything about it is amazing. The triggers are that Xbox style controller, really weighty. The D-pad right here is just amazing for Hadoukens, that kind of stuff, for fighting games and shooting games too. And the aesthetic of the lights that light up. I don't think I mentioned in my pros that this can also be used for like Android devices, like for your phone or Android devices. So that's another plus I forgot to say. That's another pro I forgot. Yep, it's very heavy. I love this controller.